Let's learn some colors name. Green color, purple color, yellow color, grey color, orange color, sky blue color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for flowers. G for glass. H for house. I for iron. J for joker. K for king. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N. Thanks for watching. Bye.